Kelly, my phone sent that twice. You good, baby? How's we just sitting here bullshitting? It got quiet very, very fast.
Yeah, because they're trying to figure out how they're gonna make some money off Trump. Now watch. She's gonna go live and say that she worked for him and his mama. She's gonna get Corey Shell some money.
Oh Lord.
No.
Mm-hmm. So. She said, Train watched my 5-hour live. No, the fuck I didn't. No, the fuck I didn't. Bitch, I was in bed. Where your little drunk ass should have been.
Let me tell y'all something. Chris is about to fucking cook this steak, and that shit is about to melt.
I got goddamn corn on the cob, baked potatoes.
Baked potato, corn on the cob, salad. That shit about to be fine. Baby cooking a whole 5-course meal. Okay.
Garrett's cooking chicken on the grill.
Train, mod me.
I don't think I can. Why?
I'm trying to
Look at Trump with blood down. Look, I go.
I just sent it to you.
See 3D printed guns.
Pew pews.
And so we should give that caveat, but that rooftop we keep showing, I'd love to get more detail or context to that. No security is 100% tight. We go to these events.
No, bullshit. You ain't had this in over.
Hey, remember, this is my overseas account. So I have a lot of overseas accounts. Follow me. Thank you guys for the follow. Hey, Stacey.
I just got the ones that look like fakes, and some of them there was a lot.
I'll let them stay.
Yeah, but that one, the one that I sent you, no, she be running her motherfucking mouth too much.
I'll use the ice cream.
It does look good, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm. It's been raining off and on. It just stopped raining. Allie and I moved from over there to the barbershop porch.
Hey, Sunset. What you doing, beautiful? Hey, Liz.
Thank you for the follow, little party. Thank you. I think, hold on.
Hey, Pug Mama.
But they ain't said nobody else is doing.
No. Thank you, Savage Pug Mom. Yep, they're all gone. Hey, hot dog tumblers.
Well, Skull's gonna save the world.
Skull ain't gonna save the world. Skull's about to get that girl in trouble. I'm gonna tell you what, she keep right on. Listen.
Follow Dakota.
Oh, it's who you sitting with, man.
That you're hearing, and what can you see from where you are?
Hey, Miss Angel.
I can't believe, like, she sits there. Bitch, did you think I was gonna stay quiet about your old man? You know what I mean? Like, what the fuck? I love you. You know what I mean? Like, she said, your old man don't use you for nothing but a booty call, baby. I make the booty calls, okay? She said, y'all don't even live together. You don't even know what he be doing. I know exactly what he does. And it ain't talking to no girls on the internet. So, she needs to, Kelly, say it again. That's what I'm confused with. Skull in my inbox talking about, please give me another chance. Please give me another chance. Mine just bought us a house so we could sleep in the same bed together.
That's my thing. That's what I don't understand. How can Skull be out here talking shit with Corey, but then in the next minute, right, and then be in the next minute being like, oh, Train, I love you. Bitch, you were just sitting beside Corey in a box while Train was talking shit to your best friend. I'll be goddamn. I will be goddamn. Ain't no motherfucking way I'm gonna sit in a box beside my best friend while someone else is talking shit about her in the chat. Are you fucking kidding me?
Miss Majors, yeah, Skull's gonna save the world, because I texted her and told her about herself. She's like, President Trump was just shot right now. I got bigger issues. I said, President Trump don't give a fuck about you neither. Oh, but I told her. Hey, Angel, those new headphones are noise canceling.
They are. Yeah, you'll be able to sit in the bed with Garrett.
I already got it covered. Bitch, that just means that I'm not gonna be able to be on the internet late. Well, unless I go, But I do. The headphones are noise canceling. That motherfucker snores. God, he snores. I can't. And that's why I talked about Corey Shell's old man, because of the things that she said about me and mine. Maybe my old man ain't out here. I couldn't pay the motherfucker to cheat on me.
What I just said. Look, I just said the same thing. Goddamn, there ain't no motherfucking way Chris would leave me before he cheated on me.
I couldn't pay him. The one time when we was fighting, I asked him. I was like, "Are you cheating on me?" He's like, "Not yet, but I've thought about it."
Listen.
That's what he said to me. That's what Garrett said to me that day. He's like, "Not yet, but I thought about it." Bitch, I couldn't pay him. Y'all know what would happen? He would lose everything. Because we are common law married, if I had proof he was cheating on, he would lose everything. He would forfeit everything.
That is completely correct.
In the state of Texas, he would lose everything.
Yep.
But go ahead, play with me. Maybe she should have married her baby daddy. Alexandria. Open this window up. Open this for me. I can't get it open. Open that for me, would you?
Other women, I would say, listen, I asked Chris that one time and he was like, hell fuck no. You're complicated enough. What would I do with another one? No, hell no. He said that would be too damn complicated. I can't keep up with these bad two-faced. I know, Mandy. I know. You ain't got to be quiet. The hot toy game. Amen.
I don't understand. Like, I don't get how Skull was to sit there and be in my inbox and thank you, Train, for being my friend and giving me nothing. you want to sit there about, you know, me in the situation, bitch. We live that way because I wanted to, and did nobody but Jessa and LaLa know that man had just bought me a house. So a whole brand new house. And the thing is that your service or mine?
It's yours, baby.
Is that your service or mine? Oh, mine. I took my Wi-Fi off because I hopped in the car.
There you go. Yeah, it's yours, baby.
I was cutting out. Yeah, so that's the thing. Yeah. Only LaLa and Jess are the only ones that knew that Garrett bought that house because he was like, because we had always said, you know, that if we had, like, people always say, well, why don't you just go back and sleep? I don't like that bed. Y'all ever slept in a camper bed? It ain't comfortable. I got my own bed.
I bet
and we actually have a California King. No, we have a California King in the Connex box that we bought before we bought this property and moved over here. So I had told him, if you want me back in your bed, you could buy me a house that we could put our bed in. And bitch, checkmate. The next week he was like, I got us a house. I said, did you know? Did you know? I called LaLa.
He's been trying to get you back home.
And I thought he was lying to me. Y'all remember when he went to Houston? That's what he went to Houston for. To get our fucking house.
Yep.
Like, y'all think he just sold the RV? Well, not, it's sold, but they ain't picked it up yet. You think he just moved that RV because he wanted to?
Yeah, no, that's a lot of fucking work. It's a lot of fucking work.
It's on the back of the property. Well, not the back. It's kind of, like.
It's at the back. Well,